Hello everyone, this is Dan from Code, and in this video I'm going to show you a short demo of the latest release, which is 6.8 of Raffle Play Woo. In this release there are a few key important things, which are the countdown in the product page, and there is the other big one is the variable products. A lot of people asked for it, and here it is now implemented, and you can actually um, have it set up in a few clicks. So let's get into it. As you can see, we have a countdown saying that the raffle is going to end on a few hours, and then we have uh, the variable product where you have multiple options to select from. Okay, so how do we implement that? So with the latest version, now in general settings of a default raffle, you have another option here where you can say show the countdown on product page, and if this is going to be enabled and you click save, that countdown is going to show up. And to set it up, we go into countdown settings. So remember, this is going to be applied to all the raffles, not only one. Once you enable it, it's going to apply to all the raffles. Okay. So the first option is what we want to display it. There are a few options here, which is in the product page that you have seen. If you don't know exactly where exactly is the position, you can click on the positions here on this page, and it's going to show you where the hooks are located. In case it's not going to show up for you, it might be that the template is deactivated. The template that you have active is not, is kind of deactivating these hooks, or you have other plugins that disables them. So yeah, well, it's good to give it a try and see how it actually works. So going back to it, I'm gonna say before add to cart for. I'm gonna change that. And then there is the another option is like hides add to cart button if the raffle hasn't started or it's finished. So in our case, the raffle has started and it's about to finish in a few hours. So we're gonna have that. Yes, if it hasn't started, it's not gonna show it up. Okay, and then the background color. The background color is for the raffle, and that's the background color. I think it's pretty obvious. Next one, the color. The color is the actual numbers, but you can actually put in RGB, or let's say we can actually do something like what is white? White is FFF. Um, and now it's going to change it. Okay, the next one is days label, which you can put instead of DD days, hours label, hours, minutes, mins, seconds, seconds. Okay, the start in label is going to be only apply if the raffle hasn't started. Uh, ends in label if the raffle is in process and it's about to finish. Okay. Okay, so let's save that. Go back to our countdown. Here it is. Refresh the page, and now we should have the. Oops, we should have the new position, and it says ends on, and have days, hours, minutes, seconds, and the colors change as well. Um, so that's it. Okay, it's another key thing is that you can actually use this shortcode to actually put it in any page that you want, and display a countdown. Okay, so we can actually customize it in any. We can put it on the home page or any other page, a nicely countdown, and you customize it the way you want, same as in here. But you can actually put up settings inside the shortcode. So let's grab that just the way I did it here. Okay, so if you look, the daytime can actually be in this format, or you can actually put a timestamp. The background color, the color, it's the same as in here, days, hours, labels, and everything. And the header says days left until Christmas 2025. So if I'm going to copy that. And another thing that I want to add here, once the shortcut, the countdown is going to finish, right? In this page, when it's going to come down to whatever 000, the page is going to refresh. Okay. So I'm going to grab that, go into a post, add new, um, countdown test, place it in here, and instead of color, I'm gonna say blue and background color yellow, and I wanted to finish on the 25th of 2023, so this Christmas. 23. um, I think you get a point though. It's pretty straightforward. The daytime is going to be in this format. The background color, the color is the same as the other one. So publish, and now let's view it on a page, and here it is. Okay, if you want to position it in left or right, you can use the CSS code and position it whatever you like. Okay, so this is what we have on the countdown. Okay, it's pretty straightforward, easy to use, easy to set up. Um, if you have any questions, drop me an email or go to tasco.com and use the form there. Countdown. Okay, so enable it from here and then countdown settings. The customization is here. Right, next one. Next, you're gonna have a product and it's gonna be a variable product. A lot of people ask for it, so it's finally here. So I have two variable products, and to identify it, you can actually view here, which says var and then ticket display and the name of the raffle. So let's create a new one and let's make a demo, quick demo. I don't want to make this video very long. So variable test or demo, not test. And the first thing that you want to do, say variable product here in the drop down. And now we're going to say Raffle Play product. And the next thing, which is very important, we're not going to do anything here. We're going to say publish. Okay. After going to publish, which is taking some time, um, variable. We go back here and change the raffle. So we're going to say raffle 2. Update again. Go into attributes. And here we're going to define the attributes of our tickets. So we're gonna say raffle tickets, and it says one ticket, and then I'm gonna have the separator, three. Let's put on numbers actually. Three, one, three tickets, and then I say 7 tickets, and then I can say 20 tickets. I don't want to put too many either. So save the attributes. And the next thing you want to go to variations. I didn't see here. I'm gonna say generate variations. Okay, so we have them generated. The first thing is that what it does, the plugin is gonna uh, use one as a default for the raffle tickets. Okay, so it shows up here 111 to all of them. So we want to go and let's put a price 1, and in here we can change it to 1. Well, this one no, we're gonna keep 1. Next one 3. Let's say €3. Raffle tickets 3. 7 raffle tickets all the way down. The price is gonna be 7, and 20 raffle tickets 20, and the price is going to be 10. Save the changes, and now you should have all of them displayed: 1, 3, 7, and 20. We go back to general, and it's going to belong to raffle 2, raffle product, update just in case. Okay, now we're gonna go to all products and see that variable demo. Variable demo. Okay, this one here, it's a raffle. Okay, so it belongs to raffle 2. We know it's a variable. Now let's go to our demo. We go to shop, demo, and we can select 7 tickets and add to cart. The raffle has finished. Okay, the raffle has finished. So we go raffles. Somehow the raffle has finished. Raffle 2 has finished. Yes. So let's change that. Okay. Another thing that I want to, I forgot to actually say it. Um, for the countdown, which is pretty important. Okay. Let's make it on the 4th, and it's gonna change, finish at 16:00, 18, save. Okay, when you set up your start date and end date, it's always going to be based on your uh, website daytime. It's not going to be on the user's daytime, okay? Um, Daytime, I mean like time zone, sorry. So if you go to general and you look at your time zone, and your time is going to be based on that, okay? So I said time zone Dublin. If I change to I don't know, Brussels. Let's change to Brussels. Now the local time, my local time is going to be 16:42. Okay, so if I go into my variable demo and refresh it, it's going to be my time is now 15:42. Let's go back in here, which is very important to know. Okay, you want the same time, like the same countdown for all your customers that are located into different time zones. Okay, so you should say, because it's 18, okay, my time, the time zone and the time for my website is set up at 16:42, so I should be in 1 hour 17, even though my time is 15:43. Okay, so it's very important to know. Okay, so it's gonna start and end for everyone at the same time. Okay, right. I hope I made it clear. Add to cart, and that's how you have it. Okay, proceed to checkout. Let's make a demo. Okay, then G 44 Dublin. uh, yeah. mm, Developer task code. Next. Okay, so I should have only 3 raffle tickets. And another thing here. Okay, how should I display that? So here you go. You have the raffle tickets, 3 tickets. You have only one. Um, right. So that's how you set up the variable products and the raffle tickets for it. And now I want to show you. There are a few things that people ask me, like how can I actually change the font size for these tickets displayed, or how can I actually twist them a bit. So it's a way. Okay, let me see if I can drag it here. No. Um, yeah. Okay. So there is this template called email raffle info, and you can actually customize it yourself. The first thing that you have to do, you have to make a folder into your team uh, called WooCommerce, and then in that folder you create another folder called includes, another folder called templates, and inside there you grab this uh, template and you paste it in. Um, and then you can make your own changes. Okay, so in here, that's that's how the template is designed. So in here you can actually make any changes that's not going to affect the original one, and it's not going to be affected by updates. Okay, so in here when you say ticket image container, you can actually change that to let's see, let's make it pretty big. 0 point, let's make it 1.4, and I want to rotate my tickets to minus 20 degrees. Save that, okay, and give it a refresh. And this is how it's going to look like. Well, because the tickets are pretty small, okay, and the font size is pretty big, is going to go to a different row, okay. So you can actually play with it. Instead of actually sending me an email, you can go and play one RAM and in here minus 15. 20 is a T too big. So let's see how that's going to look like. So it's going to be looking a bit different, okay? Some people ask the numbers to be pretty small. So one RAM is pretty big. So I would say go to smaller sizes, okay? So zero point 0.9 or something like that. My display is pretty high resolution, so probably it's gonna feed them in different ways. So if you want to have a bit of customizations on your tickets here, like twisting them around a bit, or like making bigger sizes or different colors. So if you can have, I don't know, in here, I don't know, font size. If you want to put them, I don't know, blue, blue violet. Okay, anything like this, this you can actually customize it yourself. So it's pretty kind of simple, um, if you're gonna break it, you're gonna break it. You can copy it over again into the same folder and start over again, you know yeah, just play with it. Okay, so that was it. And what else? What I want view tickets. Another important update that came in a while ago, Raffle 2, is the edit. Okay, the edit is pretty important as well. If you want to edit any tickets, you can do it in here. It's pretty straightforward. You can actually select any of the, because this is a limited raffle ticket. You can actually select it, and then you can view the history of any tickets that have been changed. Um, yeah, this is pretty straightforward. I'm not quite sure should I go into it. I can give a random from list, and then change, and then it's gonna change. Um, okay, another update that is going into 6.8 is a winners page. Now it doesn't, in case you delete a raffle, it's still gonna display the winners, but the raffle name is not gonna be displayed anymore. It's gonna say not found. Um, Another important aspect, if you're still watching, which I doubt a lot of people will be still watching, is in WooCommerce settings. There is one thing that um, WooCommerce has implemented, and it's pretty, not really say important. Will make your website a bit faster, but it will at this time will make the plugin uncompatible. Well, uncompatible is like it's not going to display the raffle tickets. So what WooCommerce uses now, it uses its own tables, but before it used the meta posts metadata table to store the orders. So at the moment, we need to enable compatibility modes to have it working. But I'm gonna change it and update it in the future, that whether it uses WooCommerce dedicated tables, so it's going to be the metadata, is going to work with both of them. But at the moment, if you don't see the raffle tickets, well, probably you're not going to be watching this video though. If you don't see the raffle tickets, you need to go into this page and enable compatibility modes. So the 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 order is going to be synchronized. Okay, so this is it for this video. I'm not quite sure if I have anything else to add, but probably not at the moment. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop me an email. Um, go to tasco.com and then use the contact form there. And yeah, I'm happy to help you with any issues. All right, thank you very much and see you next time.